Fix in 5. Let's decode P0460. Fuel level sensor circuit malfunction, potentiometer signal out of expe. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Fuel gauge reads empty when tank has fuel. Fuel gauge reads full when tank is empty. Fuel gauge fluctuates or bounces erratically. Check engine light illuminated. Inaccurate fuel consumption calculations. Now the most likely causes. Defective fuel level sender unit. Corroded or damaged wiring to fuel tank sensor. Faulty fuel gauge cluster display. Poor electrical connection at sensor connector. Internal fuel pump assembly sensor failure. How to fix it? Replace fuel level sender unit assembly. Repair corroded wiring or connectors in fuel tank circuit. Clean or replace fuel gauge cluster if faulty. Update ECM software if available from manufacturer. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €150 doing it yourself, or €165, €270 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0460 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0460 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0460. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.